So the problem I've got is this bolt doesn't have enough room to thread. I'm going to shave this off a little bit, and then I need to shave off the inside so I can push the screw in there further. So let's take a look and see if I have any attachments that are small enough. That's actually pretty good, but it's way too big. It's big, but you know what? This will totally work, and it'll work good. Somebody used the tool on this one. Alright. Always wear safety glasses. And I'm not saying that because everybody else is saying that. I'm saying that because I've had something in my eye before. And maybe the little chips won't hurt you, but what happens if this disc breaks? Too bad it's all the same color, so you can't really tell if you actually mixed it or not. Alright, beautiful, look at that. Clean that up.